Division of fractions. Let's start with multiplicative inverse. Two numbers that give the product 1 are called multiplicative inverse of each other. For example, the multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. Multiplicative inverse are also called reciprocals. Thus, 5 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5. Properties of reciprocals. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction as its numerator gets bigger. 3 upon 5 becomes 5 upon 3. Reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction as its numerator gets smaller. 4 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 4. Reciprocal of a mixed number is a proper fraction as its numerator gets smaller. 1, 2 upon 3 gets converted into an improper fraction, 5 upon 3, which becomes 3 upon 5. Reciprocal of a whole number is a proper fraction, like 6 becomes a fraction 6 upon 1. This becomes a reciprocal 1 upon 6. There is no reciprocal of 0. The product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always 1, like 3 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 3 is equal to 15 upon 15, which is equal to 1. Here the numerator and denominator divide or cancel each other with 1. Thus the product is 1. Division of a whole number by a fraction. Let's learn this with the help of an example. 2 divided by 1 upon 4. Step 1. Write the whole number as a fraction with denominator 1. 2 upon 1 divided by 1 upon 4. Step 2. Write the reciprocal of the divisor. 1 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 1. Step 3. Change the division sign to multiplication. Put the reciprocal in your equation and multiply. 2 upon 1 multiplied by 4 upon 1, which is equal to 8 upon 1. Step 4. Simplify in the lowest terms. 8 upon 1 is equal to 8. Now let's learn division of a fraction by a whole number with the help of an example. 2 upon 3 divided by 9. Step 1. Change the whole number into a fraction. 2 upon 3 divided by 9 upon 1. Step 2. Write the inverse of the divisor. Multiplicative inverse of 9 upon 1 is 1 upon 9. Step 3. Change the division sign to multiplication sign and multiply the dividend 2 upon 3 with the multiplicative inverse of 9 upon 1, which is 1 upon 9. So we get 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 9. This is equal to 2 upon 27, and that's the quotient. Now let's learn division of a fraction by another fraction with the help of an example. 7 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Step 1. Find the multiplicative inverse of the divisor 2 upon 3, which becomes 3 upon 2. Step 2. Change the division sign to multiplication sign and multiply the dividend 7 upon 9 with the multiplicative inverse 3 upon 2. So 7 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 2 is equal to 7 3s are 21 upon 9 2s are 18. Step 3. Simplify. 21 upon 18 have 3 as a common factor. So we divide 21 by 3 and get 7. 18 by 3 and we get 6. So we get an improper fraction 7 upon 6, which is converted into a mixed number 1 upon 6, and that's the quotient. Thank you. Have a wonderful